Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. So yesterday I didn't record anything, but I got a lot of work done on the car. Here's a little progress update. So this fender is complete. It's all smooth. It's ready for paint, primer, then paint, then clear. I think we're gonna also end up sanding out this whole hood and then repainting the hood as well. And then I have this side already has Bondo glass on it, and it's already hardened because I did this last night. So we're gonna go ahead and start sanding on this as well, do another couple coats, and then this side should go a lot more smoothly than that one, just because I know what I'm doing now. But really exciting news, look what just arrived. Woo! That box is my new coilovers, they're Godspeeds. So today what we're gonna try to do is probably fit them onto the car. And then, yeah, we should be static again, and my bags are gonna be for sale. So anybody who wants to buy either the Airlift 3P setup, just standalone, or the True Heart bags, standalone, or both together, just hit me up. Instagram will be linked down below. You guys already know, at Accord_TR on Instagram. So hit me up if you guys want bags. But yeah, let's get today started. Also, it's June and it's like pouring down rain right now. But woo! Oh, box won't stay open. Ah, help. Here we go. There's an earwig right there. Hey buddy, how you doing? God damn, look at those. Woo! Beautiful. Whoa. Hello. Hello. Nice. Yo, before I forget, I also picked up these hood struts so that we can actually prop the hood up without a paint can anymore. So I think today I'll also be installing that. Those should be pretty easy. And then I think we're gonna drop it on the coils today. I'm kind of hesitant to do it just because having it on air right now, I can raise it all the way up to this this height down here. So I've got nice enough clearance to, well, not really looking for clearance, but more enough space, so rising it up so I can actually work on it, because I don't want to be like on the ground here trying to sand when it's like down here. It'd be like much harder on my back. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. I'm really excited to put them on, so I might put them on today, so we will see. But yeah, guys, I'll keep you guys updated, and we're gonna start sanding on this fender now, and laying some more Bondo glass, and then it should be good to go pretty much. Then we're gonna scuff everything and make sure it's ready for paint. So really, really exciting. We're getting there slowly, guys. Alrighty, so a little bit ago I actually ordered some new wheel spacers, so there's some brand new ones here. I want to see if I'm gonna end up returning them or not, so I decided I'm gonna try out the spacers in the rear because I haven't had spacers in the rear for a while, but I might be able to pull off that fitment. And if we're gonna be static, I just want to make sure that we're not gonna be destroying that fender flare. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, throw on the spacer, and then see how fitted we are using the air suspension, because we haven't put on the coils yet. So we can use that to raise and lower and see if we can actually get the fitment dialed in the rear. That'd be super sick. Got him. Ooh, vroom vroom. Haven't heard this car in a while. Oh God. How do we look? Oh my God, that is. Alright, yeah, we're putting that other spacer in. This is, oh my God. This is so good. So fucking good. Wow. Woo! Compared to this. Got another package. So these are the bumper quick releases, and those are going to go on the car today so that I can mock up the bumpers so they can sit flat, and then I can make sure that the fender flares are going to match up when I put the bumper piece onto the bumper and make all of that happen together. So yeah, that's really exciting. I'm also just about to throw coils on as well, and before I do that, I'm going to end up putting in the hood risers. Or not the hood risers, the hood struts, because then I won't have to hold the hood up the entire time I'm trying to do these front coils. So let's get started. There's a lot happening today. New head risers are in. Nice. Or I keep saying hood risers, they're just hood struts. It's so nice not having to have something hold this up all the time. It springs up by itself. Woo! Heck yeah, this is awesome. Up next, we've got the quick releases for the bumpers.
I broke the bag.
You suck.
See, look, there's a little hole.
Oh my God, it's terrible. What have you done? Alrighty, so the way that these quick releases work is you put this onto the car, and then you've got this little button, right? And you put this one onto the bumper, and then when you click it into place, it won't move anywhere, and then you push the button, and it releases. Pretty awesome. Yo guys! I put the coils in. I didn't really record it because I just wanted it in, and I didn't want to reposition the camera the whole time. And it went really smooth. Thank you, Eric. Shout out, as always. Right now we are at Eric's place, and we are putting some sound deadening in to the Optima. So we're taking a break from the Accord right now, which will be a nice break for me because I've been working on it nonstop for the last like 5-6 days. So yeah, it's really refreshing to be able to work on a different car. And we've got like 5 things coming for this car. Oh yeah, there's a lot in store, so get ready for a lot more content on the channel with the Optima. And then once the Accord is done and the Optima is done, we're gonna go shoot photos, of course. So get ready, guys.
$3 grand worth
This
of
summer,
upgrades.
2020, this is us. This is our year. You already know.
$3,000 worth of upgrades.
Whew, and I also just spent just around $2 grand. So we have a lot to put into the car still. I've got that radio and a lot of other stuff. So let's get this going, and hopefully this will make a big difference because, you know, it's been a little bit drony inside. So we just want to kind of deaden the sound a little bit, not make it too rumbly in there. Also, I might need to do this to mine as well. See how thin this material is, and this is the thickest stuff that you can get, and it makes like up to a 20 decibel difference inside the cabin, so that's going to be super nice.
Also, make sure you get the stuff that comes with the adhesive
right,
already built in.
Because Eric made the mistake. He thought, oh, okay, let's get spray adhesive and then this, but it's actually better because they're already pre-cut into sections. So
get that stuff. Spend the extra money.
If you guys end up doing that, make sure you spend the extra money because this ends up being the same cost, and you know, it's already done for you. So yeah, all right, let's get to installing this. I also don't know if you guys remember, but we picked up Eric's car, and here's a cold start from the new exhaust. I think it sounds pretty gnarly. That's about what mine sits at. So the rear seats are out, the carpet in the rear is out, and we are taking out the seat padding for the rears, and then we'll be able to just lay carpet or the sound deadening in here, and it'll be super primo.
And then we're gonna pull all this carpet down here.
Yep, and then we're gonna do all of these up into the front.
And whatever's left, door panels and trunk.
True. First piece is cut out. We got Loctite right here. I've been shaking this thing while he's been cutting. And first piece is going to the car right now.
Fitting it.
Woo! Woo! Look at that. It's looking prime in here. So yeah, we're just gonna do the whole rear trunk section and then under the seats for now. Put the seats back in and see how this all sounds. It's gonna be pretty primo. Yeah, and then if we end up wanting to do this later, we can totally do that, but the doors come first. All right, guys, we are done with it. It is pretty solid, actually. You can definitely tell a difference. It's not that noticeable of a difference because we didn't do the whole carpet, but we did the trunk, we did the inside of the trunk lid as well, and then we did the underneath the back seats. So pretty solid. It sounds good inside the cabin. You can definitely still hear it, like I said, but it definitely makes a big difference, especially when you hit that 2K RPMs range to 3K, like that nice deep drone that used to hurt Eric's ears. That is no longer there, so that's pretty solid. But yeah, I think that'll do it for today, guys. It is pitch black outside, so we are done working on cars for the day. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we are finishing up the wide body. We have a lot more in store. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.